Hello, my dear students. I am Pawan Kumar Mishra, a teacher of geography. This video is going to be meaningful to all those students who have appeared class 10 board examinations and are planning to pursue geography in class 11, or those students who have already started studying geography or already plan to study geography. In class 11, the syllabus of geography can be divided into three parts. The first book is Fundamentals of Physical Geography, and its weightage is 35 marks. The second book is India, Physical Environment, and its weightage is also 35 marks. And third part is Practical, that has 30 marks weightage. So, three books we have to study in class 11. Today in this video, I am going to include a few topics from chapter 1, Geography as a Discipline, from Fundamentals of Physical Geography. The very first topic, or we say very first question arises: why should we study geography? So this book starts with this question: why should we study geography? And then we will know what is geography. Geography is primarily concerned with the study of the earth, basically the earth's surface, where all forms of life exist. All forms of life exist on the earth's surface, and earth's surface forms the core concern of geography. But it is studied in a special reference, with a special reference to human activities. So it is also concerned with the human activities that take place on the earth's surface. So there are two main areas: earth's surface, the physical environment, as well as the human activities that we make on the earth's surface. Our lifestyle and activities depend on the physical environment in the immediate surrounding, in our surrounding environment, and technological advancement. Because we use natural resources to sustain our life. We obtain various resources from the nature, and we modify them with the help of available technology. So the technology makes a big difference. If we see in the case of early civilizations, in the early stages of human development, the cultural environment, the socio-cultural environment was different, because the level of technology was low. Today, we have been able to modify our physical environment to the greater extent because we have better technology, more advanced technology. So, our lifestyle and all activities depend on the surrounding environment as well as technological advancement, because we use natural resources to sustain our life, and this procurement of natural resources, or in the modification in the natural resources, needs certain technology. So technology makes the difference. So in fact, we find a number of variations on the earth's surface. whether it is natural resource base, technological advancement, social organization, or cultural development. In all these areas, we find variations over the Earth's surface. They are not same everywhere. We know neither natural resources or other developments we find similar on the Earth's surface. These variations are the important subject matter of geography. Geography equips us to appreciate this diversity, to understand this diversity, to accept this diversity, and investigate into the causes responsible for these variations on the Earth's surface over space and time. I repeat it again. Geography equips us to appreciate the diversity, as well as it also suggests us to investigate into the causes responsible for this diversity over the space and time. Space, we mean how have they been distributed over the Earth's surface, and time, we mean the period, different period to which human life belong to. In the early stages, suppose we go back 5,000 years back, 300 years back, and today. So we find differences, we find variations in all the areas which are related to time, the temporal variations. So geography helps us to understand the diversity as well as investigate into the causes responsible for these variations on the Earth's surface. Similarly, the understanding and the skill in some special areas of geography like GIS, like computer cartography, help us to contribute meaningfully to the development of the society. So there are part of geography that make us able to contribute, that equip us to contribute meaningfully to the society in its development. Thus, study of geography is meaningful, and we study geography mainly to know the Earth's surface, to know the variations over the Earth's surface, to understand the diversity among the different physical and socio-cultural cultural elements, as well as to investigate into the causes responsible for causing these variations. Now, we should know in short what is geography. In fact, in the whole chapter, we will be knowing that what geography is, what is the area of its study, what is its subject matter, what is its nature, what is its scope. This in this whole chapter we are going to study about these factors only, these areas only. But in this video, just let us have its certain explanation related to its basic meaning, literal meaning, basic meaning. If we go to the basic meaning of geography, we find geo, earth, and graphy, write, study, describe. So geography can be defined as the study of the earth. The term geography that comprises two Greek roots, geo and graphos or graphene, and That geo stand for earth and graphos stand for to write or to describe. That also suggests that geography is the study of the earth. The first time this term geography was coined by, the term geography was brought by one Greek scholar, Eratosthenes, in 3rd century BC. Around 243 BC, he wrote a book, and in this book, he introduced the term geography. So, what basic meaning, the literal meaning of geography is to study the earth and all, including all that appears on it. Whatever elements from the physical environment or socio-cultural environment exist on the earth's surface, that are the subject matter of geography. Not only that, whatever things we visualize from the earth's surface, or all other bodies which have certain impact on the life of human or on the earth, all those areas are the subject matter of study. So its area of study is vast, its reach is very extensive, and in fact everything that exists on the earth can be studied geographically. Every phenomena that exists on the earth, that take place over the earth, can be studied geographically. But the earth has always been seen as the abode of human, the home of human. And so the most basic definition of geography can be given in this way, that it is the description of the earth as the abode of the human. It is the geography is studied as the description of the earth as the abode of human being. Thank you. In this video, we will continue talking on different topics in different videos. Thank you.